chicken.
I gotta go potty.
Go. Mini game.
Mini game.
Hi friends, and welcome to Lily Pad Lead. The rules are simple. Stand on the lily pad and don't fall in the water. Are you ready? Let's go.
Stop.
Ready to jump. We're doing
Nice job, frogs. But that seemed like beginner's luck for round 1. Let's see how you do in round 2. See if you can walk and balance on those beams without falling off.
we have to walk and
Good luck.
balance.
Rather just jump. Mommy.
Good job.
You made that look easy. Keep up the good work, frogs. It's the final round. Let's see what you got.
Alright. Up balance. Well done.
You could do it. Now let's get back to the dance party.
Waddle like a penguin.
Stay there.
Nap like a cat. Swim like a fish. Fly like a bird. Roll like a pig in the mud. Gallop like a horse. Chomp like an alligator. Jump like a frog.
Can you stop this?
Jen, don't touch.
I'm just tired of it.
Don't touch.
I want to be cool. Oh, there you go.
Well done.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Now we're all done.
Aww. Can we make the cheeses?
Let me see what time it is.
Okay.
Oh, you guys can go wash your hands and get ready.
Yay! My
Now we're all done.
Eddie. My Eddie.
Now see we're all done.
Do you want to make cheeses? Hyman doesn't want to make cheeses.
Why not?
I just want to go.
Go where?